Maybe we're live, I don't know.
Okay, we'll see. Coming tomorrow.
Here, let's wait for people to show up before I start walking. Oh, here it is, the Big Apple. The Big Opal, as they call it. I gotta get not okay. Hold on, I'm switching back. Yeah, I don't really know where I'm going because I'm walking away from Penn Station, and I think if I close this app, then I'm gonna not be able to do anything. Whatever, we'll figure it out. I think Penn Station is down that way. But yeah, just walking around the city. Oh, it's the Museum of Sex. Ugh. Also, yeah, the stream's going to be very shaky because I didn't bring my, what's it called, the selfie stick. For all I know, it already died at this point. Well, I guess it'll tell me after a few minutes, I think. If nothing else. But yeah, I already got the burger, so stream's a bit of a misnomer. Oh boy, it is hot. That's 7-Eleven. Gioca solto. Oh, hey, Rich, you can see me? How you doing? Yeah, it's a bit of a misnomer because I already got the burger. Here, hold on a sec. Wait, no, I screwed this up. Yo, what's up, dude? How you doing? Here we are in the Big Apple. All right, I'm glad the stream is working. But yeah, it's very hot out right now. Oh God, oh, my hair looks like a mess. Oh well, that's fine. But yeah, there was a bakery right by. I think I'm gonna go back there, but I don't know where I am, and I can't. If I'm if I'm gonna get directions on, then I gotta turn the stream off. So we'll figure that out. But yeah, I figure I'll just walk around for a little bit. Then I'm gonna go home. Yeah, all right. We'll just walk like this. Yeah, it's very shaky because I forgot my selfie stick, but that's fine. How you doing, Rich? What's going on? What were you talking about with my mom earlier? Other than it being really hot, I know that's what you were talking about. Otherwise, oh wait, hold on. All right, so that's how we get to Penn Station. All right, I'm trying to remember where it was. Oh, I think I may have just gone in a big circle. It might have been over here. Coming over to Cardiff. Oh yeah, that could be cool. Yeah, I'm definitely in whenever we get to some level of stability. Whatever form that may be. Maybe? I don't know. The city's big. Oh wait, hold on. No, that's not where it is. What do you mean, Trump Towers? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, well we are on 7th, so I mean I'm just gonna keep walking. This is just a walk around the city stream. Check out Andrew's Diner and stuff. Ooh, what do we got here? We got just salad. But yeah, I mean, it's a city. How does this compare to Cardiff, Rich?
I guess that would be.
I'm just glad it's not dying. Yo, what's up, Crisis? Yeah, that's exactly it. Yo, what's up, Crisis? How you doing? Yeah, just hanging around the city. Not not much else going on. It's just a boring city stream because I told myself I'm going to challenge myself this year, and that's what I'm doing. I went to the train station on my own like a big boy at the tender old age of the tender young age of 39. Hold on, we're going to the, yeah, I'm Spider-Man. We're going to see, I feel like the stream's just gonna go down if I go in there, so I'm not gonna go in there. But yeah, I don't really have like a plan because the title's a bit of a misnomer because I already got the burger, and it was pretty good. It's called 7th Street Burger. Crisis, you ever been to In-N-Out? It's apparently similar to that. I thought it was fine. It wasn't amazing or anything, but good enough. Good enough to be burger. I think I'm lost. Oh well, that's fine. Because let's see, it's not.
Getting out of it, I gotta do it.
Okay, that's the bread factory over there. Where do I want to go? I want to go to that bakery, but I don't remember where it was. Okay, let's like use logic. So this is 7th Ave. Yeah, I got nothing. Go buy some Pokemon cards. I'm sure I could find some if I really wanted to try. But wait, I can't see the time. Yo, one of you guys tell me what time it is wherever you are. Wait, Crisis, you're Ohio Central, right? Central time? Or am I wrong on that? Because I know Illinois is, but I'm not sure if Ohio is. Yeah, I got no logic. No logic. Should be 520 for you. That cannot be right. Because, well, I'm EDT, so if it's 520, then I'm kind of fucked. Because I need to get back to like Penn Station immediately. Then. Because it should. I feel like it should be. Okay, there's got to be time somewhere in this city without requiring me to ask someone. Hold on. Okay, good. Yeah, that's what. Okay, I was right. So yeah. Let's go get some computer parts and pizza over there. I don't know if I should like start walking back towards Penn Station. Let's just walk over here. I got an hour-ish, I think. So we'll just walk. We'll see if there's any interesting sights, like I don't know, like pigeons ripping people's flesh off or something like that. But yeah, welcome to the city. If you guys have never been to a city before, this is what it looks like at the Glamour Center. But yeah, I mean it's the city. I'm thinking now, like getting used to using the NJ Transit, and then I'll maybe do some more streams in the city. Probably not. I'll probably just like go in the city and do stuff on my own. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just say, I'm walking here. I'm sure I could force that kind of interaction if I really wanted to. I mean, hey, that counts, Crisis. That counts. Oh, it's correcting. Also, again, sorry this is really shaky camera, but again, it's because I left the selfie stick at home, so that kind of fucked things up. Yeah, you'd probably have a good time, Rich. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little lean against a wall here. Yeah, it's New York.
I'm glad you're wearing it.
I would say normally I'd be self-conscious about talking here, but I mean, it's fucking New York. People have seen like a million times worse. They've seen like, I don't know, crazy shit going on the buses and stuff, and trains and subways. I gotta like find the right angle here so my receding hairline isn't visible. Oh well. Should we get some gyros over here? Some falafels? Yeah, that too. It's just noise pollution central. I definitely just walked in a big circle just now. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see if I can retrace my steps to where I was before. Oh, there's a clock right there. 4:25. All right, great. Okay. All right, we need to use math here. Crisis or Rich, can one of you look up what street like Penn Station is on? Because I wanna see if we actually can use logic. Because it's all numbers. Everything is numbers in New York. And there's a Poke Bar. Oh, okay, wait, Shake Shack. I remember where that was. All right, so hold on. So I think I think it's that way, but it also might be that way, meaning, okay, so that's where I ate the burger. So I think we go this way to the left and then to the right, and then we should be at the thing, at the funny place. Ugh. All right, wait, we gotta run. Okay, now I think this way. West 31st. That does sound right. Okay, hold on. So let's see what happens when we get down over here. All right. Thank both of you. Thank you, both of you. We got second opinion. We got a pack and ship. See, I don't know if I'm going horizontal or vertical for this, which is the problem. Oh man, I know there's that what is it, the backpack from the guy that's now like persona non grata on Twitch. What the fuck's his name? Gunrun. Where it's like you can do like multiple functions at once. Where because like if I minimize this window at all, then the stream just ends. So I can't. Ooh, dog. So I can't just like go and look at directions right now. Ooh, sorry. Because of that. I think we're going the right way though. Okay, and then I think we go right. Moxie. Yo, rad shirt, dude. That guy had a Jujutsu Kaisen shirt. All right, did we find it? We might have found it. I don't think we found it. Okay, yeah, this is where I was. So there it is. Okay, we found it. We found what we were doing.
Yeah.
All right, I'm probably gonna go in there and, but I'm probably gonna end the stream before I go in there. But I will go in there at some point. Dude, Crisis, I absolutely do not have aura. It's just I recognize a shirt I like, and that's yeah, and it's a fun shirt. Oh boy. Okay, so I gotta remember that this is where I want to be. Okay, so there's a CVS over there, and I believe Penn Station is all the way down that way because it's on the same street. But yeah, no, that burger shop we just passed is supposed to be comparable to In-N-Out, and yeah, I would agree. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna stay on this street for a little bit. I'm thinking I'll walk. Wait, hold on a second. I mean, look, Crisis. If this was like a year ago, I probably wouldn't have even done that. Well, I guess everyone's walking anyway, so. All right. But yeah, we got the Potbelly sandwich shop. I kind of want to just find a place to sit now. is this riveting content to you guys, or is this just a fucking nothing stream? Ooh, fashion. Because I mean, like, it's literally just me walking. But yeah, I might actually just like end the stream within like the next 10 minutes, just because I don't know. I gotta start working my way back towards Penn Station in a sec anyway. But yeah, this was a fun little test, just to see what's going on in the city. Oh yeah. I mean, it's like I'm not being like a big wacky content creator right now. I'm just like walking. And I feel like my like camera work is abysmal, which isn't helped by the fact that I don't have my selfie stick, so it's just like shake central. But yeah, oh god damn it, I should have stayed on the street with that had the clock, because I'm thinking maybe 4:35. I mean, yeah, I'm not against doing that. We shall see. I mean, I did say I wanted to do things this year, and I feel like at the end of June, nearly halfway through the year, I'm finally doing something like this. But it's interesting. It's the city. Wordlessly walking through Tokyo. Nice. So, have you ever been to Japan, Crisis? Japan's awesome. I want to go back purely so I can go to a bakery and get some melon pan. Hold on, you know what? We're gonna do that. We're just gonna like talk like this. You know, you feel like you're walking with me. Oh, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk a little bit down that way, and then I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna end the stream. When I get back to the bakery. But yeah, it's fun. Yeah, I went to Fuji. It was cool. But you know what was really cool? It was the same. It was the same trip I went to Mount Fuji, or it was the same like area. It was Mount Hakone, which I thought was like one of the most beautiful places I'd been in my life. It was so beautiful. Like Fuji was really cool though, but Hakone was like another like realm. But yeah, it was Japan's great. I want to go back when hopefully the world's a lot less or a lot more stable, a lot less chaotic. But yeah, if you're ever in Japan, remember that Mount Hakone. Go there. It's great. Wait, where am I? Hold on a sec. I'm switching. We got halal. We got that.
Oh, you left already?
Okay, you know, I think I'm all right. Hold on. I think I'm gonna end the stream now. This was mostly just a test, but it was nice seeing you guys. Unfortunately, Camille didn't show up. I feel a little bad about that. You know what? Let's we can wait a little bit, see if Camille will show up within the next. No, you know what? No, I can't. I really can't wait around because I gotta get back to Penn Station. Why did I wasn't looking? Are people looking? All right. Yeah, I can't really wait around. I feel bad that Camille didn't get the chance to see this, but I'll tell her about it. There's gonna be a VOD. So yeah, you guys have a good night. This was a test. I'll hopefully do this again much longer. Yeah, we'll see though. I should be back on Friday for Frenulum Fridays, and I don't know what I'm playing. Something. We'll figure it out. All right, bye everybody. Wait, hold on. I don't know how to end it on this. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, have a great day, everybody. Bye bye.